So the first step is to get your parts laser cut or wherever you need, or cut them from the inside the shop. And then next step is to prep the parts. So that was included the punching, the rolling, the sanding I did, also the bending the legs. That was all part of the prep before the welding happens. And then once you get the parts all prepped, then they go to the welders, and the welders then start welding together. So you've seen the bottom get welded together into a solid piece as a separate unit, and then the rest of the pit gets welded together. So the double flame used to be bolted together, but now we switched to welding them completely solid, so the fire pit is one solid unit that will last for years. And the last part of the process is the quality control guy, who makes sure everything is polished right, there's no dirt on it, there's no defects, and then he's the guy who finally packages it up. He's the final word as far as what is Breeo standard.